Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure what app is up to date. This avoids missing new privacy features. Once done, open the app and go straight to Settings, then Account. Tap Privacy to enter controls. You are doing this now because these items control who sees your last seen, profile photo, about, and status. Make sure your phone unlocked and connected, then proceed to each item listed. This prevents surprises when you change visibility from everyone to my contacts or nobody. Next, focus on the detailed visibility choices. These control how people discover or contact you. For last seen and about, choose everyone, my contacts, or nobody and use exceptions to allow or block specific users. Then set profile photo and status visibility the same way, because these reveal personal info, reduce audience to lower risk. Also adjust groups so strangers can't add you without permission. Select my contacts or my contacts, accept and finish by tightening interaction and device-level protections. Disable read receipts if you want privacy, but remember voice messages still show receipts. Then enable fingerprint or screen lock and set up two-step verification to protect account access. Review your blocked contacts list and app permissions, revoking camera or microphone access when not needed. If something goes wrong, force close the app, restart your phone, and check for updates. If issues persist, toggle the privacy setting off then on to refresh server-side state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.